When it comes to food, there's no place like Rome. I can't wait to taste all the local flavors that Rome has to offer. Hello.
Mary, buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Mwah. Mwah.
Welcome to Rome.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
I hope you're hungry.
Very.
But we have to start with the most important start to any Italian stay, which is coffee. Andiamo. Grazie. So as all things Italian, it's a little work of art.
So pretty.
I want you to have something to eat as well. Okay, so this is a typical start to any Italian stay. It's called a cornetto here in Rome. It's with crema pasticcera, which is custard. It's all about sugar at breakfast time.
It's delicious, it's crisp, and it's gonna pair perfectly with this cappuccino.
Today we're gonna have Rome's first ever street food.
All right. Okay. I can't wait to try these.
This is a classic supplì, so it's risotto rice. You know, and they're breadcrumbed and then deep fried, and the mozzarella in the middle is the surprise. Now, as you bite into it, the mozzarella should come away in a long line, resembling a telephone wire. And they're called supplì al telefono. That's exactly what should happen. This is definitely where I come on a daily basis to get my fruit and vegetables.
Everything is just so gorgeous and colorful and fresh.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Grazie.
Okay, so we have Parmesan cheese, so made from whole cow's milk, and that's been aged for 30 months.
Okay. You can tell it's different than the mozzarella you're used to.
You don't need to speak Italian to say something's delicious and really good to watch your mouth off. No. This means delicious. Buono. And your children, before they even learn to say mama or papa, will be sitting in their high chair.
Oh, I love
going
that.
Like this, yeah.
I'm gonna teach that to my baby. Buonissimo.
This is our next stop. Buongiorno, Mimmo.
Ciao.
So how wonderful. We can come into the market, we can do our shopping, and then we can sit and have a glass of wine and something to eat.
Can't think of a better day. Thank you so much.
Grazie, Mimmo. Grazie mille.
I'll start with this one right in front.
Okay.
The ricotta with tomato.
I'm going to start with the truffle. So, Mary, no food tour would be complete without finishing with a gelato.
I'm so excited for this part.
What flavours do you think you're going to go for?
Pistachio, ricotta, and persimmon.
Okay. Rome, it's a tradition to put whipped cream on top of the gelato. You know, I do say when in Rome,
Right.
as the Romans do.
Grazie mille. I mean, I need two hands for this one. What an amazing day full of amazing flavors. Ciao, Roma.